Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Students of class 6th from Girls Upper Primary School, BATAGUND Zone Mawar. Dear students, our topic in subject maths is common factors and the common multiples. Dear guys, yesterday we learned how we can find the factors of a number and then choose the common factors. Now today we will try to see what are common multiples. Dear guys, in question we are going to solve question number 3 of the exercise 2.4. What question number 3 tells us? Find the 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 and 12 and 18. I will solve this question and second you will solve yourself. Dear guys, here if we write the multiples of 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18 and so on like this. Then write all the multiples of 8 also. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, like this. 8 10s are 80. When we look on the multiples of 6 and multiples of 8, there are some multiples common. If we see in this, here are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 and 72. They are the multiples of 6, and the multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, so on. Try to find the first common multiple in both. If you look, you will see that the first common multiple of 8 and 16, it is first common multiple of 6 and 8, it is 24 here. It is also having the 24 as its multiple. Now the second, if we try to find the second common multiple, then it is 48. It is here also the 48. And if you try to the third common multiple, you will go on searching, it is 72, and here it is also 72. So we can say the first 3 common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48, 72. Dear guys, you will see a pattern in this common multiples. The first common multiple, the second is its twice, third is its thrice. If you have to say what is its fourth common multiple, now you can easily say it will be the 4 times of this first, and the fifth will be the 5 times of the first, and sixth will be the 6 times of the first. Now you can easily say, if you know the only first common multiple of any 2 numbers, you can easily now say what are their other common multiples, because they always follow a pattern. Then we question number second in this, that is question number 4 of the book, where we have to write all the multiples of 3 up to which are less than 100. Here are the multiples of 3 which are less than 100. They are up to 99, and also the multiples of 4 which are also less than 100, that are lost up to 96. If you try to find the common multiple of these up to the number which is less than 100, then you will see the first common multiple of 3 and 4, it is 12. Here it is 12 and here it is again 12. Now you can easily say, as following the pattern, second will be it is twice, that is 12 2s are 24. Here it will be also 24. 12 3s are 36. That means here is 36. It should also must have 36. So we can encircle these. It is 12. Here it is also 12. It is 24. It is also 24. Then it will become 36. Here it is also 36. Then it will be 48. 36. It will be 48. Here also. It will be 60. Here also. It will be 72. multiples of 12 because first common multiple is 12. Therefore, all the multiples of 12 which are present in these are also shared by both of them. Then it will be 72 here. It will be also here 72. If it is then 84, here also 84. Then it will be 96, here also 96. So we can say the common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100 are common multiples of 3 and 4 which are less than 100, which are less than 100, which are less than 100 are, first one is 12, then it is twice, that is 24, it is thrice, that is 36, then it is 48, it is 60, it is 72, it is 84, and it is 96. Dear guys, now there is another example. You have to try it for yourself here. It is, you have to find the common multiples of 12 and 18. Now, dear guys, there is the question number 5. We have to say which of the following numbers are co-prime. First of all, you must know what is a co-prime number. Co-prime numbers are those numbers which have only one common factor, that is 1. For example, if we take here any two examples, we take there 18 and 35. The factors of 18, you have to first write the factors of 18. These are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the factors of 18. If we will write the factors of 35, it is 1, it is 5, it is 7, and it will be 35 itself. If we compare the factors of 18 and 35 and we see whether there is any factor which is common, that is only, they are having only one common factor, that is this one. So such numbers which have only one common factor, which have common factor as one only, it is called a co-prime number. That means this first one is co-prime number. If the two numbers are having more than one common factor, then that will be not a co-prime number. Now here are some more examples. You have to try to solve them yourself. If any problem, contact me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.